welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick review for you from YASSSSS hair, and let me just start off by saying I am already in love, but I'm gonna go ahead and get to the regular review that I always do that has all the facts so that you can decide for yourself. Before I start the review, I just want to say I hope you guys had a really great Thanksgiving and enjoyed your time with your family and friends, or if you spent it alone, then enjoyed your quality time. I know I probably should have done that, but my family is just too big to be doing all that. But I definitely enjoyed my family. I hope you did as well. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to the review. All right, you guys, so I am wearing hair from YASSSSS hair. Thank you so much for sending this hair to review. So I am wearing their Peruvian body wave. I'm wearing 3 bundles of hair, 30, 30, and 28 with a 20-inch frontal. It's a 13 by 4 frontal. Slow down. So if you don't know what that is, you are able to part the hair kind of freely wherever you want to. It's 13 inches here and 4 inches of parting space going backwards. So first off, if you have been following me for a quick second, Peruvian hair is one of my favorite hair texture types, whatever you want to call it, to work with. I love the density of it. I just can always tell the difference when it comes to Peruvian hair, so I'm always a huge fan of it. And so far there hasn't been like a company that has steered me wrong when it comes to it. And this is my first time rocking something that is 30 inches, y'all. Yes, I did it. I am 5'3". I'm gonna give myself 5'3", and I am doing 30 inches of hair. So let me stand. I'm no longer a virgin to 30-inch weave. Let me go ahead and get into like just the hair itself is beautiful. I already knew it was gonna be. When I made the wig, I had no problems making this wig. The frontal actually came all ready to go as well, but I did go in and pluck a few more hairs from it. I didn't go like crazy or anything like that because like I said, it did already come ready to wear. But I did go ahead and pluck. I'm not gonna repeat myself. I went on ahead and plucked some more hair from it just in case. Also, I did bleach the knots on this, left it on for 25 minutes, and I guess it took okay. Like sometimes the bleach doesn't take really well, sometimes it does, and I think this time it took like just fine. As you saw also, the hair curled very well. I was actually going to straighten this hair because I did notice that the frontal wasn't as, like it didn't have that much of like that wave. It was a little bit straighter than the rest of the hair. So that's the only thing as well, but it didn't bother me. I can put a couple curls in it and call it a day. I only had my wand curl in to each curl for about 9 seconds, and that was it. So as far as any tangles and shedding, I'm not really getting any shedding, but I am getting tangles, and I kind of thought that would happen simply because it is 30 inches and it's not like it's bone straight either. And I think personally, it really probably didn't matter if I did straight hair, curly hair, or whatever. I was gonna get some type of tangles. But as far as like if it's anything like super ridiculous, no. I'm still like able to just like run my fingers through. You guys saw that, but it's getting caught in my like my arm. But I'm still able to run my fingers through. It's just kind of here and there that I'll get a tangle. So that's cool, no big deal. Not gonna fault them for that. Personally, I am very impressed with this hair. I'd never tried them before. I had heard of them, but I never tried them, and I'm very impressed. I think it feels like it's really good quality hair. The ends are full. You get a lot of hair. This is 3 bundles of hair, you guys, and it's 30 inches, and it's a lot of hair. So I am like amazed with that. Color of the hair is a dark, like I would say it's kind of like everyone else's. It's that really dark brown, but it's pretty dark. It's almost could fool you with being black. So luster is really nice as well, and it's not too shiny. That's another thing. It's not too shiny. That's another reason why I like Peruvian hair, and I am just I think I'm in love with this hair, you guys. So great job, YASSSSS. 10 out of 10. Amazing hair. So so far. And yeah, that's really it, you guys. Not too much to say. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below. I will get to them as soon as I can. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at JMarie. I would love it. We can be friends, we can talk, you can DM me, whatever you want to call it. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.